Before starting the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel eTech360. Hi guys, today I come with a new upcoming Amazfit GTR Stainless Steel Smartwatch. Deliver that smartwatch comes with the GPS plus GLONASS all-day heart rate monitor, daily activity tracker rate and activity tracking. Deliver that smartphone comes with a 24-day battery life, 12 sport modes, answers that call 47mm. Get ready to make a splash. The Amazfit GTR comes in a classic design with a touch of modern features. Everywhere it has a brilliant 1.39 AMOLED display and a gallery of watch faces to choose from to fit any style. Smart sports tracking includes smart sports tracking technology that allow you to record 12 different sports and fitness activities including running, cycling, swimming, mountaineering, etc. They will never miss a beat. Keep an eye on your health and fitness with the Amazfit GTR smartwatch that comes with innovative biotracker PPG sensor to accurately monitor your heart rate 24/7. Live connected. Deliver that smartphone stay informed all day long with smart notifications and custom vibrations for your favorite apps like that email, text, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. They will go to the distance. Use the Amazfit smartwatch for 24 consecutive days on a single charge.